Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore a simple yet powerful tool that can significantly improve your mental health: journaling. Whether you've kept a journal in the past or are just getting started, you might be surprised at the wide range of benefits journaling can have on your well-being. In the next few minutes, we'll look at how journaling can help reduce stress, boost emotional clarity, and improve your overall mental health. And the best part? It's something you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Let's begin by discussing the first benefit of journaling: stress reduction. We all face stress, whether it's from work, relationships, or life's daily demands. Research shows that writing about your thoughts and feelings can help manage stress and anxiety. A study published in the Journal of Anxiety, Stress and Coping found that people who journal about their experiences experience a decrease in stress levels. The act of writing allows you to release pent-up emotions, helping you process what you're going through. This is especially effective when you take time to write down what's bothering you, as it allows you to look at the situation from a different perspective. Another key benefit of journaling is its ability to help process difficult emotions. Life isn't always smooth sailing, and we all face challenging times. Writing down your feelings can provide an emotional release, which can help clear mental fog and bring clarity. One study revealed that writing about emotional experiences for just 15 minutes a day can result in fewer negative emotions and even improve mood. Journaling can also be incredibly effective for managing anxiety. A study published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology found that expressive writing helps reduce intrusive thoughts, which are often at the root of anxiety. By getting your worries out of your head and onto paper, you can minimize the power they have over you. When you express your anxiety through journaling, it becomes externalized, making it easier to manage. But how does journaling help with emotional clarity? Journaling is a powerful tool for self-reflection. By writing regularly, you allow yourself to gain a deeper understanding of your thoughts, patterns, and emotions. This self-awareness is key to understanding why you feel a certain way, what triggers negative emotions, and what makes you feel good. Over time, this practice can help you identify unhealthy thought patterns and work toward changing them, leading to improved emotional well-being. There's also evidence to suggest that journaling can enhance problem-solving skills. When you write about a problem or challenge, it allows you to break it down into smaller parts. By organizing your thoughts and expressing them on paper, you can identify possible solutions more easily. In fact, research indicates that writing about problems for a short period can improve cognitive processing and decision-making. Another benefit of journaling is that it can help you track your progress and personal growth. When you write regularly, you create a record of your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. This can be incredibly motivating, as you'll be able to look back and see how much you've grown over time. Whether you're working on a personal goal, managing a mental health condition, or just trying to improve your overall well-being, journaling gives you a tangible way to track your journey. In addition to all these mental health benefits, journaling can also improve your overall sense of gratitude. Research has shown that keeping a gratitude journal, where you write down things you're thankful for, can significantly improve your mental health. A study from the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that people who wrote down things they were grateful for each day experienced higher levels of happiness and well-being. But how do you get started with journaling? It's simple. You don't need fancy materials or a specific method. All you need is a notebook and pen, or you can even use a digital device if that's more convenient for you. The key is to make journaling a habit. Start small, writing for just a few minutes each day. You can jot down your thoughts in the morning to set your intentions for the day, or at night to reflect on your day. If you're not sure what to write about, don't worry. You can start by writing down what you're grateful for, how you're feeling, or what's on your mind. You might also want to reflect on any challenges you've faced and how you overcame them. Another useful journaling prompt is to write about your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Recognizing your achievements can give you a sense of pride and increase your motivation. In addition to emotional reflection, you can also use journaling to express your creative side. Some people use journaling as a way to explore their imagination, writing stories, poems, or drawing pictures. This type of creative journaling can help you tap into your subconscious and may even lead to new insights about yourself. Journaling doesn't just help with processing negative emotions, but it can also serve as a great way to cultivate positive mental habits. For example, focusing on what went well during the day and reflecting on your strengths can help you build resilience. You can also use journaling to affirm your personal values, which helps you stay grounded in the midst of life's challenges. Another important aspect of journaling is its ability to improve mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of staying present and fully engaged in the moment. When you journal, you can slow down and pay attention to your thoughts and emotions without judgment. This is especially helpful for those who tend to get lost in negative thinking or experience stress and anxiety regularly. Additionally, journaling can improve your sleep. Many people struggle with racing thoughts at night, which can make it hard to fall asleep. Journaling before bed can help clear your mind and relax your body, allowing you to sleep more soundly. By expressing your thoughts and worries on paper, you free up mental space and prepare your mind for rest. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits of journaling. While you don't need to write every day, making journaling a regular part of your routine will help you see results. Aim to set aside a few minutes each day or at least a few times a week to reflect, write, and process your emotions. It's a practice that pays off over time and can become a valuable tool for managing stress, boosting mood, and maintaining mental well-being. In conclusion, journaling is a simple yet powerful tool for enhancing your mental health. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, increase self-awareness, track your growth, or simply feel more in control of your emotions, journaling can help. So, grab a notebook, start writing, and see the benefits for yourself. Remember, journaling is for everyone, and you don't need to be an expert writer to start. It's about expressing yourself and creating a positive habit that supports your well-being. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on improving your mental health and well-being.